嗨，各位学们，大家好。那又来到了 Tony Lim 老师要跟大家分享这个股票投资的精髓。OK，so 今天呢会以英文来跟大家做讲解，希望那些 English at 的学员们都可以学习到。Well, so let's begin our sharing today. So today is my sharing again, Tony Lim, to update a little bit about upcomings of 2nd of November today the date. So, what will be our next comings strategies that we can do on our stock investing as well as the future tradings in Malaysia market. So, without further ado, so let's getting going to a disclaimer first. So here later I will touch a little bit of maybe perhaps for equities, commodity, forex, or property, and that's only for education purpose. If you want to open an account to trade, please go to your nearest broker to seek for professional advice. Well, so let's take a look for what is the current market, the sentiment for foreign fund without wasting any time. So we can see that from 24th of October until the 1st of November that the foreign fund is actually ins and outs quite frequently, and we can see the latest for 1st of November is for the rate bar here is negative 29.6 million. So what happened is that we can see the money flow ins and outs quite frequently, and this is perhaps the uncertainty markets in US that the elections will be coming up and on 8th of November, then people is still very cautious and have a fear in the markets and did not know that what is the direction or upcomings that they can actually look forward. Okay, so from here let's take a look for the monthly itself. The monthly market here is we can see the money's flow ins and out that creating the ranging markets. Okay, so now what we have to pay attention is the red color bar that is stated for the foreign fund. Then what is the blue color is the institutional fund. So from here itself, from the monthly chart, we can see that is negative 29.6 million. So it means that the foreign fund is actually pulling out from Malaysia right now. Then we can see even that the foreign fund is pulling out and trying to moving to another country or perhaps into the emerging market, but our local institutions, which is bankings like CMB, RHB Bank, OCBS, and etc., is start to flow in. It's about 39.6 billion for November month. Okay, so from here itself, let's take a look for what is the chart patterns right now in the FKLI. Okay, so from FKI is very obvious. We can see that currently is forming a ranging market right here, and perhaps the ranging market is mainly for that what we means the uncertainty in the market. Then people did not know what should they do, and they buy as well going for short-term trading instead of long-term investment. So in current market, we can see that there's many stock that right now the stock prices is very low, especially for those who are very good in their fundamental like Top Glove that I've mentioned for last month. As a few months ago, even I have already mentioned and informed a lot of investors. Perhaps you can try to take a look on this company because this company have the very good fundamentals, and right now they're selling about I think 4 ringgits and 4 ringgit something. Let's take a look. Okay, let's go to the Bursa Malaysia and see what is the price right now they are selling. Okay, let me just scroll down a little bit. Top Glove. Okay, let's give some time for them to actually buffer the information. Okay, right now is 4 ringgit 83 cent, and perhaps right the reason the pullback is due to the currency. They have the disadvantage for Top Glove because they have export their so-called Top Glove to around the world, and we understand by 2023 and Top Glove they are wanted to actually achieve the market share about nearly to 1/3. Okay, that means about 30% market share in the global market basis, and right to actually buying a lot of purchasing a lot of company. Okay, then let's take a look what is the Top Glove share a little bit. I've mentioned this stock, then I just share a little bit. Okay, just go. Let's take a look what happened in this company. Okay, so we can see that Malaysia Top Glue is look for acquisition up to 24 millions. Then this is the latest news that we have mentioned just now. So this up from 18 October is almost wanted to reach for the market share about 30% in the global market by 2020, not even by 2023. Because the first information I received is 2023. Right now we can see it's by 2020 in the news. So no matter what is 2020 or 2023, we understand that the upcoming this stock we have a bright potentials to go up perhaps because it eat up a lot of market share, right? Okay, so let's come back to this future, okay, and take a look what is actually happening right now in the market. And I would like to share a little bit about what happened in between the partnership from Malaysia to China. And as we know that the Malaysia and China recently have the partnership about China is willing to invest in Malaysia about 2.4 billions, and especially in the manufacturing sectors and services sectors. And from here itself, we can say that among the flagship project in China participating mainly is integrated for underground city like Bandar Malaysia, which is being jointly developed by China Railway Group Limited with Iskandar Waterfront Holdings, and another such that project which is from Malacca Gateway, and the mega development project which is developed by Power China International Group with KAJ Developments. Okay, KAJ Development. And in the service sector itself, we can say like Country Gardens, Greenland, and also we can take a look for AA Asia, because AA Asia right now, we can see they have the line open up to Guangdong to Malacca, so we can see that will be more opportunities will be coming those sectors. Okay, so no matter how we can feel that the budget in 2017 is contributed a good sense, but right now we can see as well a lot of products such as crude oil, then such as we can see a lot of the cooking oils, the prices have increased drastically. So I can say that there will be increased so-called the burdens and even a little bit of force into purchasing power. Then we will reduce the purchasing power right now, and this will actually affect a little bit in the gross domestic product, because people are wanted to want to tighten the belt and do not want to spend, because is the market's quite slow, and at the same time we have to bear such high cost of living right now. Perhaps it might happen in 2017 is the market will actually moving in the sideway or a little bit of pullback. So from here, we can see that the overall market, this is the FKLI, and right now here is the head and shoulder we can see. And what I'm worried is the market right now, if they actually break through the 1645, and it will be continuously perhaps to go down for the next support level in 1600. Okay, so from here, we can see that the market is moving from the ranging market from 1645 to 1675, and it's about 30 points right now here. So what we can do, the strategy right now is we can actually put a buy from 1645 and the stop loss below 1645, and just go for a long as it touches the support level, since that it's going for ranging markets. And from 1675, once as long as it's moving up to 1675, we just put on the sell trade for the index sell, and to put it down to actually short the market, and from profit from 1645 around here. So right now we can very clear to see the trend from RSI is pulling back and below the 50 percent. So from the RSI 14, so we can see that the market is likely will move down. And as long as from the ranging market, we see that the stochastic already from 80% start to pull back. And I conclude to say that the market will move down to 1645 right now at this moment. So this is my analysis. And again, for stock itself, that is many stock I've touched it just now to mention about in this work together plan from China and Malaysia in actually injected about 2.4 billions, and many sectors, especially in manufacturing, we can focus on one of it. The stock growth right now is quite cheap. The share prices is about 4.8 ringgit, and likelihood we can see in the long run they have potential to go up back to $7. So this is a little bit of my sharing today, and I hope I will be sharing more with you again in upcoming video, and we can have a little bit of ideas about what are we going to invest in Malaysia stock market. So perhaps in the next video, I will trying to share other countries like maybe Singapore or US, so that people will have more ideas for what kind of stock they can invest in foreign country. Well, so my sharing is, I think, is going to end very soon. Then I would like to invite you to go to my Facebook, and this is my Facebook. You just go to Facebook and search for WCTY training, and just click on the like, and you will receive the a lot of my sharing, which is I'll be sharing around about what is stock market investing strategies and how can we profited by using the right strategies. And I just finished sharing from the big event from Penang, Wembley Hotel, and upcoming I will be sharing in Renaissance Hotel in JB, and hope to see you guys very soon again, and to share more with you guys. And again, I would like to invite all my so-called students and friends. Perhaps if you are first time listen to my sharing, you can just go to understand more about me and take a look about WC White Trading Company. What are we doing? And this is actually the financial calculator for you to use for free to calculate the stock, right? Then this is Tony Lim blog. Sometime I will be sharing a lot of maybe tips or even some of the ideas how to be successful investor. And this is my recent sharing. Is one of the main ingredient for successful investor is patience. And perhaps you can take a look and read up. I for sure it will actually add value to you and help you to be a successful stock investor. And just follow through my website for more information. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is bring some value and add value to you, and we're happy to increase some your strategies, your methodology, and the skill in stock investing. Thank you so much, and Tony Lim here from WCT Worldwide Trading. Thank you for watching.